Welcome to this in-depth introduction to CRM and review of GoHighLevel's CRM software. In today's digital age, managing customer relationships, automating marketing processes, and tracking performance are crucial for businesses to succeed. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that provides the necessary tools to achieve these objectives. Designed for marketing agencies, consultants, coaches, and businesses, GoHighLevel helps generate leads and sales online. In this video, we will explore the key features, benefits, pricing plans, customer support, and steps to sign up for GoHighLevel. So let's dive in. What features does GoHighLevel offer? GoHighLevel offers a wide range of features to streamline your marketing and sales processes. Like 1. Sales Funnel Builder. With GoHighLevel, you can create effective sales funnels that guide potential customers along a path to conversion. The intuitive funnel builder allows you to customize every step and automate the process for a seamless user experience. 2. Built-in CRM. GoHighLevel's built-in customer relationship management system, CRM, empowers you to manage and organize your contacts effectively. You can segment your contacts into smart lists based on specific criteria, enabling personalized marketing efforts. 3. Email marketing. Engage with your leads and customers through targeted email campaigns. GoHighLevel's email marketing tools allow you to create automated campaigns, nurture leads, and keep your existing customers informed. 4. Marketing automation. Streamline your marketing processes and save time with GoHighLevel's marketing automation tools. Automate appointment booking, lead communication, and pipeline management to focus on scaling your business. 5. Interact with prospects. GoHighLevel provides various ways to interact with prospects, including calls, emails, and text messaging. Stay connected and engage with potential customers using the communication channel that suits them best. 6. Manage campaigns. Access all your campaigns from one easy-to-navigate dashboard. From lead generation to conversion, GoHighLevel allows you to manage your marketing efforts efficiently and monitor performance metrics. 7. Facebook and Google integration. Send messages to leads on your Facebook page or Google My Business page directly from within GoHighLevel. This integration enables seamless communication and expands your reach. You can also use GoHighLevel as a website builder software, e.g. for landing pages, squeeze pages, sales pages, thank you pages, product launch pages, checkout pages, video sales letter pages, and many more. You can use the HighLevel software too as a campaign analytics platform, use it as an advanced marketing video hosting system, shopping cart, help desk ticketing system, and live chat engine, as well as a split testing and link tracking software. The software is very loaded. GoHighLevel encompasses these features and more, making it a comprehensive platform for managing customer relationships, automating marketing processes, and driving business growth. How does GoHighLevel help businesses generate leads and sales? GoHighLevel plays a vital role in helping businesses generate leads and drive sales. Let's explore how GoHighLevel achieves these objectives. It helps you find more customers. GoHighLevel's Sales Funnel Builder enables businesses to create a strategic path for potential customers to follow. By optimizing the funnel and automating lead nurturing, businesses can attract and convert more leads into paying customers. It helps you nurture more sales leads. With GoHighLevel's built-in CRM, businesses can effectively manage and segment their contacts. By personalizing marketing efforts based on specific criteria, businesses can nurture leads and build stronger relationships, ultimately increasing the chances of conversion. It helps you keep the customers you already have. GoHighLevel's CRM allows businesses to stay connected with their existing customers. Through email campaigns, text messaging, and other communication channels, businesses can provide ongoing value, promote repeat purchases, and foster customer loyalty. You have smart marketing tools at your disposal. GoHighLevel's marketing automation tools empower businesses to streamline their processes and save time. By automating tasks such as appointment booking, lead communication, and pipeline management, businesses can focus on scaling their operations and driving revenue growth. Here are some of the marketing automation tools available on GoHighLevel. 1. Workflows. GoHighLevel uses workflows as the backbone of its marketing automation. Workflows enable businesses to create single-channel or multi-channel campaigns, incorporating automation into their marketing efforts. 2. Email marketing automation. GoHighLevel allows businesses to create automated email campaigns using workflows. With dedicated workflows for each campaign, businesses can automate the lead nurturing process, ensuring timely and personalized communication with their audience. 3. SMS marketing automation. SMS marketing is a powerful tool for engaging with your audience, and GoHighLevel offers SMS marketing automation. Businesses can manually send text messages or automate the process by incorporating SMS into their workflows, enabling effective campaign management and conversation nurturing. 4. Pipeline management. Keeping track of leads and their progression is vital for any business. GoHighLevel simplifies this process with pipeline management. The platform automatically moves leads through various stages, providing a clear overview of ongoing activities and allowing businesses to make informed decisions. 5. Appointment booking. GoHighLevel also offers appointment booking automation, which is particularly useful for service-based businesses. By creating workflows based on business availability and lead preferences, appointment scheduling becomes effortless and efficient. What makes GoHighLevel stand out among their competition? Let's dive into what makes GoHighLevel stand out from its competitors. All-in-one platform. GoHighLevel takes the hassle out of managing multiple marketing tools by bundling everything businesses need onto one platform. This all-in-one approach streamlines processes, allowing businesses to focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences. Marketing automation. GoHighLevel's suite of marketing automation tools is comprehensive and robust. The workflows, email marketing automation, SMS marketing automation, pipeline management, and appointment booking automation enable businesses to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and resources for more impactful activities. Designed for marketing agencies, GoHighLevel was built by industry veterans who understand the unique needs of marketing agencies. The platform provides a range of features that help agencies find more customers, nurture sales leads, retain existing clients, and achieve smart marketing strategies for business growth. White labeling. For marketing agencies looking to scale their business, GoHighLevel offers white labeling. Agencies can brand the entire platform as their own, set their pricing, and retain 100% of the profit. This feature empowers agencies to establish their identity and expand their offerings. GoHighLevel boasts a user-friendly interface with a quick learning curve. Its seamless features work together harmoniously, creating a smooth and rewarding experience for both businesses and their customers. The platform's flexibility and continuous updates from the active community and developer team contribute to its outstanding usability. GoHighLevel subscription plans. Pricing. Now let's talk about the pricing plans offered by GoHighLevel. It's important to note that the following prices are accurate at the time of this recording but are subject to change. Agency Starter account is around $97 per month. Agency Unlimited account is around $297 per month. Agency Pro account, or SaaS account, is about $497 per month. Optional upgrades. White Label mobile app for iOS and Android goes for around $14.91 per quarter. White Label Zap is around $50 per month. And HIPAA compliance is about $297 per month. Remember, these prices can be subject to change, so it's always a good idea to check the GoHighLevel website for the latest information. What kind of customer support does GoHighLevel offer to its users? Let's explore the customer support options available to GoHighLevel users. Self-service portal. Once you sign up for GoHighLevel, you gain access to their self-service portal. Here you'll find frequently asked questions, video tutorials, and other valuable resources to help you navigate the platform with ease. Email support. If you have any issues or questions, you can contact GoHighLevel support team via email. Their dedicated support team is ready to assist you promptly. Live chat support. For real-time assistance, GoHighLevel offers live chat support. This feature allows you to chat directly with a support representative, ensuring immediate help when you need it. Phone support. In case you have urgent issues that require immediate attention, you can also reach out to GoHighLevel's support team via phone. They prioritize resolving critical matters swiftly. The detailed steps to sign up. Go to the GoHighLevel website via my affiliate link in the description box below. Click on the red 14-day free trial button on the homepage. Fill out the pop-up form with your name, company name, email address, and phone number. Choose the GoHighLevel pricing plan you want and enter your billing information. Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore all that GoHighLevel has to offer. Remember, choosing the right subscription plan will empower your business to leverage GoHighLevel's full potential. So take your time and make an informed decision. GoHighLevel's interface is designed with ease of use in mind. Its intuitive features work harmoniously, ensuring a seamless experience for both businesses and customers. Some users may find the pricing plans of GoHighLevel relatively higher compared to other platforms, but it's important to evaluate the features, benefits, and return on investment to determine if the cost is justified for your business. My final thoughts. GoHighLevel is a powerful all-in-one platform that provides a comprehensive suite of marketing and sales tools. Its marketing automation features, designed specifically for marketing agencies, make it stand out among its competition. With user-friendly interfaces, various customer support options, and customizable subscription plans, GoHighLevel offers businesses a streamlined and efficient solution to enhance their marketing and sales processes. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually use the software as a beginner via their amazing WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching and catch you on the next one.